Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make confetti chicken. Cue the music. Hey everybody, I appreciate you clicking on this video to watch It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. I really do appreciate you watching. If this is your first time watching though, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there in the corner and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Well, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make confetti chicken, so let's head into the kitchen and see what our ingredients are. We're going to start out with about a pound of chicken cutlets. We already got them in the casserole dish. I got a tablespoon of some chili powder. We're going to use my own brand here. I've got 1 can of cream of chicken soup, the healthy variety, half cup of skim milk, 1 red sweet bell pepper diced, 1 jalapeno pepper diced, and 1 yellow sweet pepper diced, and 1 cup of frozen corn, and I'm going to add green onions on top of that with some cheese when we get all done. Real quick, real simple recipe. Let's start cooking it up. Got our chicken cutlets already in our casserole dish. I'm just going to use my chili seasoning and dry smoke rub. I'll leave a card right here on how to purchase that. We're just going to lightly coat the whole bunch of chicken here with this. Next step, we're just going to take our soup, add our half a cup of milk. Just whisk this up, make a nice sauce. Then you just pour it right over the top of the chicken. Hit it with your peppers and your corn. Then we're just going to bake this uncovered at 375 for about 35 minutes until it's nice and bubbly. Alright, there we go. I pulled it out of the oven. It looks pretty good. I temped the chicken to make sure it was 165. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to plate this up, add some cheese to it, and then we're going to take some awesome photos of it for social media, throw those in the timeline of this video with some groovy music. Then we're going to give this a try. So don't go away. Enjoy the pictures, enjoy the music. Right there, I added some cheese. It's all gooey now with the cheese. We've got the peppers, corn, cream of chicken soup with the milk in it. Pretty simple. Add some salt and pepper on top just to give it some extra added flavor. Now we're going to give this a taste, and I hopefully won't burn my mouth too bad because it is just fiery hot right now. Oh yeah, that jalapeno kicks in. First thing I actually got was the corn. Maybe use a good sweet corn for this. This is frozen corn. Kind of adds a different flavor when it's frozen. The cheese adds a lot to it with the texture. Yeah, this is a fix it and forget it recipe that I got. I'm going to put the recipe below in the description box. Coming right out of the book. The only thing I changed was putting a jalapeno pepper in there just to give it some extra flavor. This is really good. It's easy, it's quick to prepare, and it tastes pretty good. Pretty good. I would throw it on some rice. Alright, that's good. I'm going to finish this out. Thanks a lot for watching. We've made confetti chicken. Have a good one. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.